increasing your service fee, whether as a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or a business owner. So whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your earning potential, I've got you covered in this video. So let's dive right in. Increasing fee as a freelancer is a common challenge many freelancers face. But with the right strategy, it is absolutely possible to raise your fee without worrying about losing clients or feeling guilty. So let's kick things off with our first tip. Step 1, package deals and value-based pricing. Instead of charging solely by the hour or project, consider offering package deals or value-based pricing. For example, if a client offers you a $50 project, instead of doing just that $50 project, tell them that that $50 project is fine, then offer them to do 10 for just $450. That means the client will be saving $50. By doing this, you incentivize the client with a $50 saving deal, which will help them save money and help you make more money. I mean, you are supposed to get just $50 from this client, but with this, you are going to be getting $450. So that's a win for the client and a win for you too. This approach involves providing a comprehensive set of services or deliverables that offers greater value to the client while simplifying the billing process for you. So then you won't have to be sending out proposals every time. That ultimately help you save your Upwork Connect if you're getting your clients from Upwork. This structure makes it easier to command higher fee as clients can perceive the overall value they received. Moving on to our next tip, step 2, evaluate your value. It is often said that if the use of a thing is not known, abuse is inevitable. If the value of your skill, of your talent, of what you bring to the table, of the solution you are providing for your client is not known to you, abuse is inevitable. You will be abusing the gifts you have, the talent you have, the skills you have, because you will be underpricing yourself. And the amazing thing about underpricing yourself is that it makes you look cheap and incompetent to the client. Client will pay you less, stress you more. It is something I have observed in my years of experience. High-end clients don't stress you as much as the low-paying clients. So take your time to research what other freelancers in your field and at your skill level and your location are charging for a similar service. This will give you a baseline for determining whether you are currently undercharging. So understanding the market rate will enable you to increase your fee reasonably. Now let's talk about being selective with clients. Step 3, recognize that not all clients are the same. Some clients are a pleasure to work with. They pay promptly and value your expertise. However, others may be quite demanding, tardy with payments, or disrespectful. To increase your freelance fee on Upwork or in your business, you may need to let go of clients who do not appreciate your work or are unwilling to pay your desired rates. Remember, it is not personal. Stop bidding for ridiculously low-paying jobs and focus on attracting, retaining clients who prioritize quality, respect your boundary, value your expertise, and are willing to pay a fair price for your service. So if you find these tips valuable, please take a moment to show your support by hitting the like button. Your likes help this channel to reach more freelancers and provide them with helpful content. Thanks for your support. Thanks. Now to the next tip. Step 4, communicate your value effectively. It is one thing to have value. It is one thing to have skill. It is another thing for you to be able to communicate it effectively. When discussing your rate with clients, it is important to explain not only how much you charge, but also the value they receive from your services. Highlight the benefits, result, problem-solving abilities, and expertise you bring to the table. Do this on your Upwork profile, do this on LinkedIn, and probably in your proposal. Utilize testimonial, portfolio pieces, or case study to demonstrate the value you provide. By effectively communicating your value, clients will be more inclined to recognize and appreciate your worth, especially when your personal branding is great. So you might be the best designer in the world, but if I come to your page and then your profile description contains error, your profile picture is looking trashy, and every other thing is not adding up, I might not even want to test you with my project. Remember, your profile picture, your headline design quality, and your introduction video quality all affect how prospective clients perceive you. So you need to present yourself the way you want to be perceived by prospective clients, not even only on Upwork, not even only on LinkedIn, but across your social media platforms. Because you can get clients via other platforms, even on LinkedIn, even on YouTube. You can write in the comment section what service you offer. Someone else might see it and then hire you if they need your service. So now let's talk about confident negotiation. Don't be afraid to ask for a higher compensation if you believe you deserve it. Be polite and assertive when discussing rates. Avoid excessive apologies or excessive justification. It sends a signal of low confidence to your prospective client. If I'll be billing you $200 or $500 for a logo design, I will tell you $500. I've had to turn down a couple of job offers to me because the rate is not favorable for me. So if a client initially rejects your proposed fee, try to understand their reasons and explore potential compromises. So for example, the client wants you to do 10 social media designs per week for $500. So, and you want to do it for $1,000. So you might reach a mutual compromise like, okay, I will do 8 social media design for $600 or for the $500. So let there be a mutual compromise. Another example of mutual compromise is you can consider offering a discount for a long-term contract or adding extra value to your service. Alternatively, both parties may amicably agree to part ways if mutually beneficial solution cannot be reached. Note, however, this is not for beginners. So when negotiating your fee, understand that it is an open market. The buyer is not under any compulsion to buy and the seller is not under any compulsion to sell. So you guys must be able to reach mutual compromise. If that cannot be reached, both parties go their separate ways. There are 1,001 clients the freelancer can work with and there are 1,001 freelancers the client can work with. I'm saying that to say this. This is not for beginners who have only one client. For example, I have a couple of retainer clients. So if I'm pitching for a new job and then the job is not favorable, I am comfortable with my retainer clients. You should only do this when you have attained a certain level or have a sizable number of clients. So if you lose one client, it is not detrimental to your freelancing career. Having said that, there is an advantage to charging reasonably well from day one on a platform like Upwork. Your first set of job and your charges on them sets the price that subsequent clients will offer to you, especially when they can see them on your Upwork profile. We are making progress. Let's move on to our next tip. Step 6, gradual rate increase. So to increase your rate, instead of dramatically increasing your rate overnight, consider implementing incremental increase over time. For example, go from $15 to $20 per hour, then from $25 to $30. So it's best not to go from $5 to $50. So for the clients you're already working with, you might decide to continue charging them at the rate you already have, but then if the cost has increased from your end, you can decide to provide them ample notice of the adjustment of your rates. So for example, you can send them a message 1 month ahead to inform them of a planned X% fee increase for the following period. For freelancers who have scaled into businesses, announcing a yearly rate adjustment on your website, newsletter, reminding clients a few weeks in advance can help to minimize any surprise or negative reactions from your clients. Time to share your wins. Have you successfully increased your freelance rates before, or the price you charge for your business or for your products? If you've done that before, I want to read about your experience. Share your story in the comments so you can inspire me and other fellow freelancers. Continuing with our tips, let's talk about continuous skill development, which takes us to step 7, upskill. Enhancing your skill and expertise is crucial for increasing your value as a freelancer. If what you know last year is still the same thing as what you know this year, you have no justification for increasing your fee. It's important that you constantly take courses. I take courses, training, and I invest in certifications. You know why? Investing in training programs, certifications, and networking opportunities expand my knowledge and enhances my credibility. By continuously improving yourself in your field, you can differentiate yourself from other freelancers and justify higher rates based on your increased expertise. So let's move on to the next one. Step 8. Speak with data and analytics. Utilize data and analytics to demonstrate the impact of your work on clients' business goals. If you can showcase how your service have increased revenue, reduced cost, or improved efficiency, it becomes easier to justify a higher fee. So time tracking and productivity too can also help you estimate the project duration accurately and ensure you charge appropriately for your time. By utilizing data and analytics, you can effectively demonstrate the tangible value of your work to clients. While they may not fully comprehend the intricacies of your professions, showcasing how your work directly contributes to the bottom line, which help them recognize the value of investing in your service. For example, if you're a content strategist, if you do your work for a brand and then you do an overhauling and reinforce their brand messages and then you help them get more sales. Sometimes, even though you meet your KPIs, sometimes it's still not obvious to some organizations the exact thing you do. So if you are a content writer, you can track and present metrics such as an increase in web traffic or improved user engagement to demonstrate how your content positively impacts the client's online presence and potentially their revenue. Presenting such information in a report will clearly illustrate the value you provide. So let's talk about referrals. Here is my next tip. Implement a referral program. This can be a powerful way to attract new clients. And when you get new clients, you can charge them your new fee, not the old ones. What I do with my old clients that constantly refer new clients to me is that I don't increase their rate. If, for example, I charge $10 for producing one suite. So now I want to increase my fee for producing one suite to $15. So when the client I am charging $10 refer another client to me, the client that is being referred to me trust me more, have more confidence in my ability based on the trust and relationship they have with the person referring me. So I can charge them the $15 that is the increased fee. So encourage your existing clients to refer you to their network by offering incentives such as discount on their next project with you or a percentage of the new client's fee. Although most people would prefer that you give them discounts than giving them a percentage of the new client's fee. So this referral program offers an opportunity for you to charge a higher fee, as I have said. So finally, let's discuss the benefits of retainer agreements. Step 10. Suggest a retainer arrangement with your present clients. Retainer arrangements can provide stability and consistency in your income stream. By offering a predetermined number of hours of service each month and charging a monthly fee, you can ensure a steady workload and income. Retainer agreement allows for more flexibility in adjusting your rates as workload or skills evolve. You charge them based on one design per week. As the social media platform grows or as the YouTube channel blows up, they want 3 content per week. So now this is an opportunity because the workload has increased. You can charge them more. So there you have it. The 10 tips to increase your freelance fee on Upwork and in your business or as an entrepreneur. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and turn on notification. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Happy freelancing.